You can make this super delicious creamy chocolate mousse using only 2 ingredients, and I'm going to show you how right now on the Crumbiest. Okay, so the 2 ingredients in this recipe are heavy whipping cream and your choice of baking chocolate, chocolate squares, or chocolate chips. I've chosen my favorite dark chocolate Lindt bars for this recipe. Your choice of chocolate is going to determine how sweet or bitter your final chocolate mousse is. So if you choose a sweeter milk chocolate, you're going to have a sweeter product. If you choose a dark chocolate, you're going to have a more bitter product. And if you start with the baking bars like I did here, you're going to have to cut those up into little pieces so that way when you add them to the milk later, they melt. But if you're using chocolate chips, those are going to be just fine. We're going to put a half a cup of our heavy whipping cream in a microwave safe bowl and hit that in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute. It depends on the strength of your microwave, but you want to get it to a scalding temperature. And with our heavy whipping cream nice and hot, we're going to add our chopped up chocolate pieces. Or this is where you would add your chocolate chips if you're using chocolate chips. And if your heavy whipping cream is hot enough, that concludes the end of our cooking section of this video, because all you have to do is stir your chocolate together and you're going to get a nice creamy chocolate blend here. And now our chocolate base is done, so we're going to do the real magic here and make a simple whipped cream. So we're going to take a cup of heavy whipping cream and we're going to put that into hopefully a stainless steel bowl if you have one, or a nice cold glass bowl if you have one. The coldness really helps. So using your favorite mixer, you're going to beat that and whip a lot of air into it and make whipped cream the old-fashioned way. It's a lot easier if you were to chill your bowl beforehand. But I didn't do that here because I was washing dishes before I started making this video, so my bowl wasn't as cold as it could be. So because it was taking an extra long time for my whipped cream to get stiff, I used a little cheat that I learned a long time ago, and I got a bag of frozen vegetables out of the freezer and I set it under my bowl. That really helped to speed the process up, and you can see here we're done with our whipped cream. So at this point I had just scooped our chocolate base out of the bowl and placed it on top of the whipped cream we just made, and I'm about to fold it in gently. I know on the camera it looks like I'm stirring, but I'm really lifting that spatula and then folding it in under as I bring it close to the bowl. It does look a lot like stirring, and you can stir gently as well, but the whole point is to not break that whipped cream you just spent so much time making. And that's it. Look at that. I did not cut any of that out. That is exactly how long it took to fold the chocolate base into the whipped cream. And now we're done, and we can put it in a bowl to chill. So now we take our remaining heavy whipping cream, we make another batch of whipped cream, that way we can put it on top of our mousse once it sets up in the fridge. And we're going to scoop that right on top of our set chocolate mousse. And then we're going to grab some of our chocolate left over and we're going to grate that right on top. Look at that. And that is a 2-ingredient chocolate mousse that you will be proud to serve your friends and family. If you like this video, please consider clicking the like and subscribe button and hitting the bell notification so that you will be notified when we make more of the crummiest cooking videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and remember, share with friends.